Hey guys, it's Sunika the neighbor, and today, well, we have some limbs here, and I was gonna chop them up, and, show you. What the heck? Use a hatchet. Now, time to attempt. Oh, hello, Superlight.
Hello. What are we doing today?
I was going to chop up some wood for a friend. When did you get here?
A second ago.
Okay, second thought, I think I'll have him film. That way I don't chop my hand off accidentally.
Your graphic quality sucks. Help me, I'm being attacked by a stick.
Sorry. Seems, oh well. Hey, just hit my thumb a little. That's fine. Probably.
So, have you ever read Charlie and the Chocolate Factory?
No?
I'm actually reading it. Not right now, but in school. Why? Because it's a good book.
Fun.
Oh, it's my staff.
The book I'm currently reading in school is, well, it's, history.
You mean geography?
Oh, hey, it's dead. Nope, not quite. Anyway, that's a light demonstration. We'll chop up the rest of these and, we'll get back to you when we're done.
Bye.